In the remote outskirts of Elderwood, where the dense forest loomed like a guardian of folklore, the deepest kind of darkness stretched across the land. Its silence was only broken by the occasional rustle of leaves and the distant howl of the wind. A peculiar steel artery cut through this wilderness, the train tracks known as the Midnight Line. Legend had it that every night at precisely 12, a train would roar along the tracks without ever stopping. Those who ventured near would feel the vibrations, hear the haunting whistle, yet never see the vehicle passing. Bethan was a curious young woman with an insatiable thirst for the truth behind the legend. Armed with a flashlight and a voice recorder, she embarked on her investigation, determined to document this supernatural occurrence. Midnight arrived quickly, enveloping her in an eerie quiet as she stood by the tracks. The hour struck, and the air vibrated with anticipation. Bethan felt a chill crawl across her skin as the distant whistle pierced the silence. Her flashlight flickered ominously, but stayed lit enough to catch shadows that seemed to dance in synchronization with her heartbeat. "I'm here to unravel this mystery," she whispered into her recorder. "Will you make yourself known?" A gust of freezing wind swept past, and with it came the faint outlines of figures on the train. Bethan's heart raced as she spotted ethereal passengers gliding by, their expressions forlorn and timeless. A figure in an old conductor's uniform waved solemnly, locking eyes with her. Startled but resolute, Bethan stepped closer to the tracks. The earth beneath her seemed to pulse, echoing history's cries. Her recorder captured whispers, fragmented tales of unfulfilled destinies and opportunity lost. Beneath this spectral presence lay a yearning for closure. Just as Bethan felt drawn to join the journey, something within her resisted. She realized the profound truth of the midnight train. It was never meant to be boarded by the living. As she turned away, the conductor saluted, a wordless affirmation of her understanding. Bethan backed away slowly, the spectral passengers fading into the mist beyond time. Her flashlight dimmed, and the chilling whistle marked the train's endless passage. She stood at a distance, reflecting on boundaries of the living and the departed.